Casement window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in celebration seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Casement windows celebration installations are known for their sleek design, excellent ventilation, and energy-saving benefits. Our expert team specializes in casement window replacement celebration, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With our custom window solutions celebration, you can choose from a variety of styles and finishes to match your home's unique character. Energy-efficient windows celebration are a top priority for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our double-glazed windows celebration offer excellent insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. We provide comprehensive window insulation services celebration to maximize your window's performance and energy savings. Window frame replacement celebration is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows, especially for homes upgrading to casement windows celebration for improved airflow and functionality. Our skilled technicians offer window frame replacement services that ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting durability. We also provide window trim installation celebration to enhance the overall look of your windows. Window seal installation celebration is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our team specializes in window seal installation services, ensuring your windows are airtight and weatherproof. We also offer window caulking services celebration to further enhance your window's insulation and protection against the elements. Custom window solutions celebration allow homeowners to personalize their windows to suit their style and needs. Our window design services celebration include a wide range of options, from traditional to modern designs. We also offer window style consultation celebration to help you choose the perfect windows for your home. Window hardware upgrade celebration is an excellent way to improve the functionality and security of your windows. Our window lock installation celebration and window hinge replacement celebration services ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. We also provide window maintenance services celebration to keep your windows in top condition. Window glass replacement celebration is necessary for restoring clarity and performance to damaged or outdated windows. Our window pane replacement celebration services offer high-quality glass options to suit your needs. We also provide window screen replacement celebration to keep your home protected from insects and debris. Weatherproof windows celebration are essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window refurbishment celebration services include weatherproofing solutions to enhance your window's durability and performance. We also offer window leak installation celebration to address any issues with water infiltration. Window sash installation celebration is crucial for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our expert team provides window sash installation services to restore your windows to their original condition. We also offer window measurement services celebration to ensure a perfect fit for any window replacement or installation project. Window installation warranty celebration provides peace of mind for homeowners investing in new windows. Our comprehensive warranty covers all aspects of the installation process, ensuring your windows are installed correctly and perform as expected. We also offer window replacement consultation celebration to help you make informed decisions about your window needs. Window design services celebration offer a wide range of options for homeowners looking to update their windows. Our team provides expert guidance on window styles, materials, and finishes to suit your home's architecture and personal taste. We also offer window measurement services celebration to ensure a precise fit for your new windows. For top-notch casement window installation in celebration, our team offers unparalleled expertise. We specialize in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Our window frame replacement services in celebration are second to none, providing durability and style. Double-glazed windows are a popular choice for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Our window seal installation services in celebration ensure your windows remain airtight and efficient. Custom window solutions in Celebration are tailored to meet your unique needs and preferences. Upgrade your home with our window hardware upgrade services, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. For those in need of window glass replacement in Celebration, we offer quick and reliable services. Weatherproof windows are essential for withstanding the elements, and our team excels in providing these solutions. Our window insulation services in Celebration help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Window style consultation in Celebration is available to help you choose the perfect design for your home. Our window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top condition year-round. If you need window screen replacement in Celebration, our team provides efficient and affordable solutions. Window sash installation services in Celebration are designed to restore the functionality and appearance of your windows. For window leak installation in Celebration, trust our experts to provide lasting solutions. Window hinge replacement in Celebration is a crucial service for maintaining window functionality. Our window lock installation services in Celebration enhance security and peace of mind. When it comes to window pane replacement in Celebration, our team delivers precision and quality. Window trim installation services in Celebration ensure your windows look their best. Our window caulking services in Celebration provide a perfect seal against drafts and moisture. Window refurbishment in Celebration is an excellent way to revitalize your home's appearance. Our window design services in Celebration offer creative and practical solutions for any style. Accurate window measurement services in Celebration are essential for a perfect fit and finish. We provide a comprehensive window installation warranty in Celebration, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Our window replacement consultation services in Celebration guide you through every step of the process. For casement window replacement in Celebration, our team offers expert advice and installation. Energy-efficient windows in Celebration are a smart investment for reducing energy bills. Our window frame replacement services in Celebration enhance both the look and performance of your windows. Double-glazed windows in Celebration provide superior insulation and noise reduction. Trust our window seal installation services in Celebration to keep your home comfortable and efficient. Custom window solutions in Celebration are designed to meet your specific needs and preferences. Upgrade your home with our window hardware upgrade services in Celebration, combining style and functionality. For reliable window glass replacement in Celebration, our team is ready to assist. Weatherproof windows in Celebration are essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our window insulation services in Celebration help maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Window style consultation in Celebration is available to help you select the perfect design for your home. Our window maintenance services in Celebration ensure your windows remain in excellent condition. If you need window screen replacement in Celebration, our team provides efficient and cost-effective solutions for maintaining casement windows Celebration and ensuring long-lasting performance for your home.